Hello everyone. Good evening ellarigu. Good evening my dear students. Namaskara ellarigu. Hello everyone. Good evening my dear students. How are you? Good evening. Hello. Come fast sir. Good evening ellarigu. Namaskara. Welcome to the session. Hengidire ellaru. So ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಓಂಕಾರ್ ಸರ್. I welcome you all to PW Kannada Foundation channel my dear students. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. I hope I am audible. Fine. Clear ಆಗಿದೆನಾ? Is my voice clear to everyone? Good evening everyone. Namaskara ellarigu. Welcome to the session. I hope my voice is clear to everyone. Voice clear agide. Good evening my dear students. Fine? Yes. So ivat bandbittu today we are going to do your arithmetic progression. Fine? Arithmetic progression. Fine? Part 2. Okay? Idu bandbittu voice is clear? Yes. Very nice. Hengidira? Midterm exam marks banta. Did you people get your midterm exam marks? How much did you score in maths? My dear students, maths alli ಎಷ್ಟು score ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ? Fine. Rakshita, Rajni, Narayan, how much did you score? Super ಆಗಿದಿರಾ? How much did you score in midterm? Or are they going to reveal after Dasara? 79. Very nice. Super. Where did you lose 1 marks? 80 out of 80 barbeku next time without fail. Clear? Fine. So today we are going to do arithmetic progression part 2. Clear? Part 2. So if you see students over here, fine. So last class we had done your arithmetic progression. Fine. Basics another. What is arithmetic progression? Fine. All these things we had done it in the last class. And then we did nth term of the AP, nth term of an AP. Clear? They did not give still, sir. Okay, fine. No worries, ma manya. Narayan 80, very nice, super. Out of out, very nice. Clear? Yes. So in today's session, we are going to do sum of n terms of the AP and problems and MCQs related to it. Okay? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೂ ಹತ್ರ 20ರಿಂದ 25 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 5 marks and all. So all those questions we are going to do today. Sir, please start second sem fast. Yes, once I finish this AP, triangles, coordinate geometry, adadmele back to back I'll start with what? Your other remaining topics. Fine, don't worry. Clear? Yes. So next students, if you see exploring the batch, fine. Last class notes nimge enare bekagidre, if you need the DPPs and all this you can explore for free of cost. Just you have to download the PW app. Abhimanyu 3.0 anna ನೀವು drop ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, that is you need to search. After that, if you click on explore, it is absolutely free of cost. All the notes, whatever the notes are there my dear students, notes ಆಗಿರಲಿ, your DPPs ಆಗಿರಲಿ, all the subject, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, and now you know that SST kuda add agide. All these things you'll get free of cost. Fine. So hangidre ivatin lecture anna start madona. Before we start, can you people do this MCQ over here? Madboda? Can you do? If the m times of the nth term of the AP, m times the mth term of the AP is equals to n times the m plus n times the nth term, then you need to find the m plus nth term of the AP. Can you do? Fast agi madboda? Okay. So yes, I am giving you the poll over here. 60 seconds time. Do it. Madri ellaru. Try to do it my dear students. M times the mth term is equals to n times the nth term. Hello everyone, welcome to the session my dear students. Namaskara ellarigu. Welcome to the session once again. Good evening everyone. Option 3, just drop your answer there as A, B, C, D. M times they are telling mth term is equals to n times nth term. Okay, fine, do it fast. Yes. So please explain applied questions. Applied questions andre your whatever this topic applied questions. Yes, it is there. Fine. Ivat ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ. Fine. Clear? So we'll go step by step. Fine. This type of questions you people are telling, I guess. Clear? A student goes to the school, air reduces, a contractor job specifies a penalty. Clear? TV. Fine. All these questions will do, don't worry. But yes, m times am is equals to n times an. So which is nothing but what? M times a mth term. General term ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? General term of the AP, we give it as an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? So now here m is there, so it will be nothing but what? A plus m minus 1 into d is equals to n times a plus n minus 1 into d over here. Clear ada? Now multiply this, m a bartada plus again we have m times m minus 1 into d. Clear ada? And this side we have n times of a plus n into n minus 1 into d. Let us bring this all this side. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ. So ma minus na ಬರ್ತದಿಲ್ಲಿ na plus here also students what do we have? m times m minus 1 d minus n times n minus 1 into d. Clear? Okay, should be equals to 0 from here. Now if you observe here I can take a common, so it will be m minus n, and here I can take d common, so ಏನು ಉಳಿತದ? m into m minus 1, correct, minus n into n minus 1 and d common is equals to 0. Did you people get this? ಏನು confusion ada? Fine? Yes or no? Clear? Fine. Till here this step, is it clear? B is the answer. Yes, word problems I'll do, don't worry my dear students. Fine, step by step we will go. So a times of we have m minus n plus, fine, here if we solve, if we multiply, it will be m square minus m minus n square minus of minus, it will be plus n. Clear? Times d is equals to 0. Now from here we have a times of m minus n plus here we have nothing but what? M square minus n square plus, okay, or if I take minus sign common from here, il minus sign common tagondra m minus n ulita times d is equals to 0. Okay, are you people understanding it? Did you people get till here? Any doubt? Fine. Sir, final exam ge LBA questions government yes, government ಏನು ನಿಮ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು. ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2-3 months ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅದ್ರಾಗಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ a times of m minus n plus here what do we have students? M square minus n square can be written as m minus n into m plus n minus of we have m minus n times of d is equals to 0. So from here if you see a times of m minus n we have plus m minus n, if I take common from here, it will be nothing but what students? It will be m plus n minus 1 times d is equals to 0. Clear? So from here I can take m minus n common, so it will be a plus m plus n minus 1 times d is equals to 0. Okay, so from here you can analyze that students. Okay, idanantu 0 aglik barangilla. Fine, your m minus n can't be equals to 0 because both are different terms. Clear? So what has to be 0? A plus m plus n minus 1 times of d should be equals to 0. Okay, so here the d is common for this much. Clear? Yes, idu bracket baralla. Yes, so here we have m minus n a plus m plus n minus 1 times of d is equals to 0. Okay, so from here this is nothing but what? Fine. So from here, students, if I want a m plus n, it will be nothing but what? A plus m plus n minus 1 d is equals to 0. So kandita idan enagutte nimdu? This is nothing but what? A m plus n term. A m plus n term is equals to 0. They are asking the value of what? A plus m term is, so it is option B. Option B. Yes, definitely appa. Trigonometry start madona. That is also a very huge topic over here. Fine. One shot alla adnu kuda. Fine. Only one person. Very nice. Timegowda. Very nice appa. Next question igogona. Yes. In an AP, if D is minus 4, N is 7, AN is 4, you need to find the value of A. Fast ag ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Easy question ada. Do it, students. It is a very, sir, lengthy ಇದೆ. Yes. 100% ಅಮ್ಮ, because it is a very good CBSE level questions. ನೋಡಿ, ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಟಫ್ ಆಗಿ. ಫೈನ್, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಈಸಿ ಅಂತೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಫೈನ್, so we will practice accordingly all the types of questions over here. Okay, this question easy aithe. This I hope you people can answer very easily. Fine, then we will start with some theory questions. Fine, moe itta. Very nice. Done. Very nice. Super everyone. A value 28 anta antidira. Let's see. So here we are telling that D value, common difference value is minus 4 over here. Fine. And nth term is 7. An value is 4. Clear? Total number of terms 7 anna kottidara. We know that An value is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D for a AP. This value they are telling 4. A plus, here we have 7 minus 1 times D value is minus 4 over here. Clear? So 4 is equals to A plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into minus 4 will be nothing but what? Minus 24. So A value enagtada, which is 4 plus 24. So A value is nothing but what? 28. Did you people get this? Easy alla? Yes or no? A value is 28. So option 4 is correct. Fine. Option D is correct. Very nice. 100% result. Nice everyone. Clear ada? Fine. So let us move on to some theory. Again we'll come back to the questions. Fine. Sum of n terms of the AP. Main thing ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ students, you people need to understand the formula. Formula ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 1 4 marks question will come from here. Okay. Fine. Because 5 marks question when we see for your final board exam matadaten nana, when we see for your 5 marks question, 2 topics are fixed over here. That is, one is nothing but what? Triangles. Clear? One question nimdu bandbittu triangles inda barutte. Innondu question it will be from what? Applications of trigonometry. Clear? Applications of trigonometry. Clear everyone? Okay na ellarigu? Applications of trigonometry over here. Fine. Sir, how to solve word problem? Yes, we are going to do today. Don't worry. Fine. Step by step, salpa patience ana itkori. As we solve, you people will understand. Clear? Yes. Now next, when we move to your this sum of n terms, usually we get a question from here. Question from here for 4 marks, students. Okay, 4 marks. Nimda midterm exam nega they might have given you 5 marks question. Yes, because this topic was not included. ಫೈನ್, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋದು ನಿಮ್ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ವಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಆಲ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಪಾ. ಫೈನ್. Yes, we'll make a strategy video on that, don't worry. Now, coming to the sum of n terms, we have a direct formula over here. Suppose we have a1, a2, fine, or suppose we have a arithmetic, fine, or suppose we have a series, arithmetic series, clear? Arithmetic series having n terms with first term a and last term, sorry, with first term a and common difference d, fine, and common difference d. Clear? So from here now in ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ the sum of these n terms okay, sum of these n terms is given by, okay, sum of these n terms ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾರೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ is given by Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is the formula. Clear ada ellarigu? Fine. Surface area, yes, one more topic is there, correct, I forgot that, but yes, correct. Fine. So you have surface area and volumes. From here also one question might come, like last year how it came, surface area and volumes. Clear? ಈ 5 ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ಫೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ 3 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ there are high probability of getting what your question. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಎಸ್. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, suppose L is the last term of AP. Suppose we have L is the last term of the AP. Fine. Then from here we have Sn is equals to n by 2. Correct? Either formula ತಗೊಳತೀನಿ. 2a, can I write it down as a plus n minus 1 into d? Can we do this? Correct? Now can I combine the students over here? ಇದನ್ನ combine ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? a plus n minus 1 into d. So from here the Sn will be equals to what? n by 2 a plus, okay, n by 2 a plus, now a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but what? The last term over here, correct? So this is, or the nth term. Fine. So these two formulas we have. Eradu formulas nimga nenapidbeka. Whenever they have given last term, we go for this formula, and whenever they have given first term and common difference, we go for this formula. Adu nimga question inda idea sigtada. Question start madona ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, last class I had finished 10 questions with nth term. Now can you people solve this? Word problems ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಲಿತಿನಾತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬಂತ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ word problem. Try to solve every question. I will give you 1 minute approximate time, students. 1 minute or 1 minute 20 seconds time. ನೀವು attempt ಮಾಡಕ್ try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Clear? So over here they are telling that sum of rupees 10,000 is invested at 8% simple rate of interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Fine, you need to calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do this interest form a AP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years making the use of this fact. Can you do? Just try, students, over here. Fine. 5 marks problem, 4 marks problem, sorry. Okay. Hello everyone, namaskara ellarigu, welcome to the session. So these are all your 4 marks problem students. E type of problem nimga 4 marks ig barboda. Okay, chalo madri fast agi. Can you do this? See, starting they are telling that this is the bank. Fine, let us understand like this. This is the bank. You will go to the bank. Fine, bank nag hogtiri and you will start investing rupees 1000. You will start investing rupees 1000. Now after 1 year, fine, after 1 year, that is from the first year, clear, some amount will be there. Howdenilla? Do you people know? Howdenilla? Deposits ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, you do what? Fixed deposits, one amount you will keep, you will get this much interest, after certain year it will grow. Another year if you keep, again you will get some interest. So like this how the bank works, correct? Bank nag adaka nim parents money idtara. Did you people understand? Now here to here they are telling that on this amount you are getting 8% interest. So ee amount ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ? What is the interest amount? Calculate the interest amount at the end of each year. They are telling interest amount. So which formula can we use? Very nice, correct? We can use simple interest formula over here, correct or no? Can we use simple interest formula? Simple interest, correct, is equals to, yes, what is the formula? Principal amount into rate of interest into time divided by what we have, 100, correct ada? Yes or no? Clear are the students? Fine. Now they are telling that from the question the principal amount that you people have kept in bank is rupees 1000. The rate of interest on this is 8% and the time period is every 1 year. Clear? So from here for the first year, yes, principal will be nothing but what? 1000 over here multiplied by rate of interest is 8 per annum. Time will be 1 divided by 100. Correct. So this will get cancelled with this. So from here you have nothing but what? 80. For the first year you are getting what? 80. Clear? First year interest amount barita idini illi. Fine. Interest amount you are getting rupees 80. For this second year students, second year how much you are getting the interest amount? Interest amount for this second year, first, already Gaudra has got it. Very nice appa. Hello Aryanth, welcome to the session. Fine. For this second year ige ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗಬಹುದು ನಮ್ಗ? Second year how much do we get? Second year, correct, it is nothing but what? P into R into T divided by 100. Okay, P into R into T divided by 100. So yes, second year ig andra, fine. So simple interest I'll write down for this second year. Clear? Second year time period ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದ? 2 ಆಗ್ತದ. So which will be nothing but what? 1000 principal amount, rate of interest will be same, number of period will change to 100. So this will get cancelled over here. So 160. For the second year you are getting 160 over here. Correct ada? Did you people understand this? And for the third year, tell me fast. Third year how much students? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ active ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಾ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ, chat box ನಾಗ everyone. Yes. Simple interest for the third year. Fine. Will be nothing but what? Again P into R into T divided by 100. Principal value is 1000. Rate of interest, sorry, principal value is 1000. Rate of interest A, but time period will be 3 divided by 100. Again this will get cancelled. So 240. So here you are getting what? This is rupees 160. And if you again continue for the third year, it will be rupees 240. Okay. So every year you are getting what? 80, 80, 80 add aagta hoga tada. Yes or no? Fine. So if you see the interest amounts, fine, the interest amount for consecutive years okay, for consecutive years is as follows, okay, is as follows. So what do we have? 80, 160, 240 and so on. Clear? Now is it in AP, students? Is it in AP? Is it in AP? Yes, because if you see A2 minus A1 is equals to what? 160 minus 80, which is equals to 80. Fine. Again if you see A3 minus A2, it is again 240 minus 160, which is equals to what? Again 80. So common difference same baratadala. So I can tell that the fine, first term is 80, common difference is also 80. Fine. So this is in AP. Therefore the interests are in AP. Clear? Now since the interests are in AP, we can use this and calculate what? For the 30th year. What is the interest at the end of 30th year? Yes or no? Clear Ada? So now we have to find the interest at what? End of 30th year. Means we got the hint that your N value is 30, A value is 80, D value is 80. So we have AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D as the formula. Yes or no? Clear Other students? Now from here your A value is nothing but 80 plus we have N value is nothing but 30 minus 1 is 29 into 80. So what will be the answer? Can anyone tell me the answer first? Yarik bandeti at the end of 30th year. Clear? Very nice. Super. Yes, Gaudre, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Answer ಏನೈತಿ? At the end of 30th year, what is the amount in the bank? 2400. Are you sure? Yes, 2400. Because it will be 80 into 30. That's it. Which is 2400. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Because it 29 times 80 ada, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 80. Fine. Clear? Next problem. We'll move on to the next problem over here. Yes. Do this problem. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first two rows, 21 in the second rows, and 19 in the third row, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there? Okay. Can anyone tell me? Fast. Formula sheet ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಮೂರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ at the end of the class I'll give you all the formulas. Okay, ಮೂರೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅದಾವ nth term sum of n terms ನಾಗ 2 different formulas. Clear? Yes. Trigonometry ನಿಮ್ದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬೈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಹೋಗತೀನಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ AP ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ next we will move on to your all lessons. Sure. Fine. Once your AP is done, we are going to triangles, coordinate geometry and then trigonometry. Okay. Fine. Yes. So if we look at the problem, they are telling that in the first row we have here like this, we have the rows and it is going on continuing till the some nth row over here. Correct? So if you see rows ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ. Okay, there is no rows students, so instead of rows I'll put heart. Okay, so ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನನ್ನತಾರ in the first row there are 23 rose plants in the first row. 23 ಈ ರೀತಿ rows ಅದಾವ. Fine, like this rows are there. There are 23. Second we have 21. Third we have correct 19 like this, and last we have 5 rose plants over here. Correct? Did you people understand this? Here we have in the first 23, again 2 is reduced 21, again it is reduced 19, and so on it is continuing till the last 5. We need to calculate how many rows are fine. How many rows are there? Rows alla. Fine. Row. How many row are there? Okay. Fine. Clear? Chal. Now if we see over here, the given data, fine, the given data forms a AP. The given data forms a AP over here, which is nothing but what students? 23 are the first row nega. Adadmele reduce agatava 2 to 21, and then we are getting 19, 17, so on up till what 5 over here, correct. Now if you see the common difference, it is nothing but what, a2 minus a1, which is equals to what, 21 minus 23, which is nothing but minus 2. First term we have a, which is nothing but what, 23, and in this question they have given us the last term. Okay, they have given us the last term. So whatever your L value is there or an value is there is equals to 5. Clear ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Fine. Now those who have completed this question, same question you have to do, and you have to tell me, find the total number of rows. Find the total number of rows. Sorry, rows. Okay, this time it is flower rows. You need to tell me how many total rows are there according to the given data. Okay na, helboda niva? I'll complete this problem till then. Fine. So now we have the formula, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have an value is 5 over here, a value is nothing but what, 23, plus we need to find n value, n minus 1, d value is nothing but what, minus 2 over here. Clear? So if I take this side, it will be 5 minus 23 is equals to minus 2 times of n minus 1. 5 minus 23 andra minus 18 bartada, minus 2 times of n minus 1. So from here minus minus got cancelled, 2 ones are 2 nines are. So 9 is equals to n minus 1. So n value will be equals to what, 10. Did everyone get the answer? Did everyone get the answer? Okay, yes. ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ, ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿನಾ ನಾನು? Clear? Yes. So can you tell me how many total number of rows are there? Total the total ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು rows ಬಂತು? So there are total 10 rows. We got total 10 rows, correct. Now you need to tell me that in 10 rows naga ಎಷ್ಟು flowers ಅದಾವ? 210. Very nice pa, super. Anyone else? 21 na? 21 or 210 na? 210. Chalo, fine. So we have SN formula. Nodri, total number avag kelidra means what we have to do, first row naga, fine. So in the first row we have 21. Adadmele second alli we have 19, correct. And in the third we have 19 minus mattu 2 madidra 17, and it goes on. Fine. Started from 21 or 23. Sorry, 23 in the start agite. Okay, 23, 21, 19. So idu nan add madkota hogbeka, plus 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 so on up till the fifth row over here. Andre last ge ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದಾವ ಅನ್ನತಾರ ಅವರ 5. Fine. So total number of, if you see, a value is 23. Fine. D value common difference is minus 2. Last term is 5. We have already the last term. So we need to find S10 value. Fine. And total number of rows namga 10 sikkidav. So we know the value Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus L, correct? A plus L. So if I take n value as 10 over here, so S10 value will be nothing but what, 10 by 2. A value is nothing but 23 minus or plus 5. So 2, fine, don't cancel it out. S10 will be equals to 10 by 2 and this will be 28. So 2 ones are 2 14s are. So yes, if you see total we have 140 rows. 140 rows. Very nice. Clear everyone? Teyet ellarigu how the problem can be twisted over here. Instead of asking the total number of rows, they might tell that we have total 140 rows over here. Fine. Definitely students, nimge enare doubt idra you people can connect me on Instagram. Fine. Number kododu actually ಏನದ ಅಂದ್ರ it is not allowed ಆ ರೀತಿ. Fine. Clear? Yes. So from here we have nothing but what? Total number of rows is nothing but 140. Okay, done, clear. Next problem go na, chalo. Yes, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. You need to find the 29th term. Fine sir, ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಶೀಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಣಪ್ಪ. ಫೈನ್, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಟ್ಟ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟರದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಡೋಣ ಅಂತೆ. ಫೈನ್, ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Done na? Chal. So AP is that which consists of 50 terms. Total number of terms in the AP is 50. Third term 12 other and the last term is 106. You need to find the 29th term. Did anyone get the answer? Self active agirri chat box next students. Fine. So ilinda we have your AP consists of 50 terms. So total number of terms n value is 50. Clear ada? They are telling that the third term is A3 is nothing but what? They are telling that it is 12 and the last term is, okay, last term andre ena, last term when they are telling over here, they are telling about what? 50th term, correct ada? They are telling about what? 50th term. So A50 value is equals to how much we have? 106. Then you need to find the 29th term. A29th is question mark. So this type of problems they can ask you for 3 marks. Clear? 3 marks ik kelboda ee riti problems anna. Chalo. Now starting with the data, A3 value is equals to 12. So we have A plus 2D is equals to 12 because the third term is given by like this. General term yav riti kodtivi? A nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Nodappa formula ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಂಗ. Clear? Revise ಮಾಡ್ಸತ್ತೇನೆ. So from here also we have your A50th term is A50th term. They are telling that it is 106. So A plus 49D is also equals to 106. We have two different equations. Fine, simultaneous equations adaveva. ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಾಕ ಬರ್ತದ. Fine. So we have A plus 49D is equals to 106 and A plus 2D is equals to 12. Subtract both the equations over here. Two equations anna subtract madri. So if you subtract students, this will get cancelled out. 49D minus 2D will be 47D and from here we will get nothing but what? 6 minus 2 is 4 and 94, correct? So 47 into 2, so D value is nothing but what? 2. Clear? D value is 2. Substitute in one of the equation over here. We'll take this equation. We have A plus 2 times of 2 is equals to 12. So A plus 4 is equals to 12 or A value is equals to what? 12 minus 4 is nothing but what? 8. Fine. D value is 2. A value is what? 8. So we need to go and find now 29th term. So till here you will get 2 marks. Clear? D value find madak 1 marks, A value find madak 1 marks. So total you have got 3 marks. Finding the 29th term, it is A plus 28D. So A value is equals to 8 plus 28 times 2. So which is 8 plus 8 2s are 16 over here, 2 2s are 4 5. So from here 56 plus 8 is nothing but what? 64. Very nice, Gaudre. This is the answer. Done. Did you people understand this? Clear ada? Yargu enu confusion ee problem naga? Do you people have any confusion? Illala. So this is your total 3 marks problem. Fine. Chalo. So next we have this problem. Find the sum of first 22 terms of this AP. Nodri, sum based problems banta. You need to find the sum of first 22 terms. This problem admele we'll go to one interesting MCQ. Okay, one chanagiro MCQ problem ada. We will go to that. Yes, sum of first 22 terms. Sn is equals to, we have Sn is equals to n by 2 plus, or sorry, n by 2, 2 times of A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. N value, they are telling that 22 terms adava. Coming to this formula, A value is what? 8 over here. Common difference will be nothing but what? A2 minus A1, which is nothing but what? 3 minus 8, which is minus 5. Clear? Done? Good evening, Ramu. Welcome to the session. So from here we have S22 value as nothing but what? 22 divided by 2. 2 times of A value is 8, plus we have 22 minus 1 is 21, times D value is nothing but what? Minus 5. Okay, done ada. So 2 ones are 2 11s are, we have 11 over here. 8 twos are, we have 16 minus 5 and we have 10 over here. Fine. So if you see, this is nothing but what? 11 times of, yes, 16 minus 105. Yes, how much we get? 16 minus 105, 99. We get minus 89. So if you multiply this, minus 890 plus 89, 979. Na? Is this answer correct, students? I'm not sure. 979. Na? Sorry sir, I'm late. No problem, appa. Now concentrate. We have started with the problems on sum of n terms of the AP. Is this answer correct, students? 89, 890 bartada. 890 plus we have to do 89 again. So which is 979. Yes. Clear? Minus 979 is the answer. Hello, Amma Pavitra. Good evening. Welcome to the session. Start madana. Next problem. We'll go on to the next problem. Yes, I told you we'll do an interesting MCQ over here. Yes. Nodri, same type of problem, 60 seconds kodta idini. Try to finish this problem in 60 seconds. Do it fast, everyone. 60 seconds and madri. 1 minute. Yes. Did you people get the answer? Your option correct ada? Yes. Fine. So what do we have from here, students? They are telling that the first term of the AP, A value is 5, first term of the AP, and its 100th term. a 100th term is equals to minus 292, and they are asking the value of 50th term. Okay, 50th term. So what you do, minus 292 divided by 2, correct? So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 2 ones are 2 ones are 4s are, correct? 1 remaining 6 are, minus 146 is there, not there. Clear? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ. 100th term if it is minus 292, 50th term ಅಂದ್ರೆ don't go to subtract it, divide by 2, wrong ada. Understood? Clear ada? Fine. So from here, yes, so we need to find, students, 50th term. A 50th term is question mark, correct? Now we will use the data we have. Fine. So we know that a nth term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So from here, a 100th term will be equals to, a value is 5 plus here we have 99 times of d, correct? Now a 100 value is minus 292, correct? This will come this side, minus 5 is equals to 99d over here. So yes, minus it will be 297 is equals to 99 by d, 99 into d. So d value is minus 297 divided by 99. Clear? So 99 ones are, 99 threes are, so d value is nothing but what? Minus 3 over here. Fine, d value is minus 3. Now since d value is minus 3, we need to find a 50th term. So a 50th term will be equals to a plus 49d. A value 5 plus 49 times of minus 3. So 5 minus, it is 147. So if we do 5 minus 147 minus 142 is the answer. Did you people get this? Clear ellarigu? Done? Very nice. Super. So your C is the correct answer, minus 142. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹಾಕಿದಾರ? ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ? No one. Why? Simple problem ittalla. Correct or no? Let us move further. Some more problems will do. Clear? That is your word problems anna ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. We will do that. Fine? Yes. If sum of first 14 terms of the AP, sum of first 14 terms of the AP is 1050, first term is 10, you need to find the 20th term. 3 marks problem. These are all 3 marks problem, students. Okay, can you do it fast? They are telling that the sum of 14 terms, correct? We know that the formula is Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So if we take S14, so 14 divided by 2 into the first term is, fine, here they are telling that n value is 14, then the sum of 14 terms is 1050. Idin new given anta baribeka. These are all the given things, students, to you people. Fine, and then you need to start with the problem. This formula is there. Ee formula gu ondi reeti box hakri. Fine, so that whoever is correcting your paper, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಹೇ ಯಸಪ್ಪ, ಈ ಹುಡುಗ ಚಂದಂಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾನೆಲ್ಲ given things. Fine, so he knows, he has studied well, so you'll get full marks like this. Fine. So first term a value is 10 over here. Now from here we have 2 times of first term is, we have 10 plus we have 14 minus 1 is 13 times of d. We have d value we don't know, we have to find. So here they have given this as 1050, 2 ones are 2 sevens are, so we have 7 times of 20 plus 13d. Can we cancel with 7 table? I think we can. 7 ones are 7, 3 is remaining over here, so that is nothing but what? 7 5s are, fine, and 0. So we got 150 is equals to 20 plus 13d. So from here this will come this side, so 130 is equals to 13d. So 13 ones are 13 10s are, so d value is 10. Did everyone get d value as 10 over here, students? Sikita ellarigu? D value as 10 over here. Fine. Now once you got D value, next you have to find what? Once you got D value, they are telling that 20th term A20 will be equals to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. So A plus 19D. A value another 10 plus we have 19 times again 10. So from here it is 10 plus 190. So which is 200. A20th term. Clear? Clear everyone? A20th term is 200. Very nice, Ganga. Super. Next problem we go na. Let us move on to the next problem. Yes. Fine. How many terms in the AP must be taken so that their sum is 78? This question also, students, I am giving you as an integer type. Carefully listen ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 48 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 48, 58 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 58, ಆ ರೀತಿ 60 seconds time solve it. Yes. How many terms of the AP needs to be taken so that the sum is 78? Done na? Chalo, solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now if you observe, they are telling that this is the AP over here. ನಂಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes, AP ನಾಗದ. So A value is 24. When we look for common difference, it is 21 minus 24, which is nothing but what? Minus 3. So we got it as common difference as minus 3 and this as 24 over here. So they are telling that how many terms of this AP we need to take, that is n value is how much, so that their sum is 78. So we have Sn is equals to n by 2. Find 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now the sum of those all the terms they are telling 78, students, is n by 2. 2 times of we have 24. Fine, plus n minus 1 into we have d value is what? Minus 3. Clear ellarigu? Up till here is there any confusion? Zero confusion. Now if I cross multiply, this will be 78 times of 2 will be equals to n. 24 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 48. Here if we multiply, minus 3n plus 3 we have. Correct? Did you people get this? If we multiply over here, minus 3n minus of minus plus 3. So this if we multiply, 8 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 154 we have. N times of this is 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. Multiply now. 154 is equals to 51n minus we have 3n square, or we have a quadratic equation 3n square bringing this side minus 51n plus 154 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now solve this quadratic equation and tell me how you can factorize it. How you can factorize it, students? Heng factorize ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ fast ಆಗಿ? Can anyone tell me? Over here 154 into 3. 154 into 3, which is nothing but what? 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, 3 1s are 3 and we have 4, 462 we have. Now we need to factorize 462 to get what? 51. Correct? 462 factorize madbeka 51 sigaka. So we can start with 3 table over here, because yes, 3 table we can start. 3 1s are 3, 1 is remaining, 5s are again 1 is remaining, 4s are. So further it is not divisible. We can go with 2 table. 2 7s are 77s are. We can go with 11 7s are and 7 1s are. Okay, prime factorization. Now yes, we can do 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 21, 22 plus 2s are 22, 22 plus 21 will be 53, 33 plus 14 Parangila. Okay, which table can we use, students, over here? 11 3s are 33 or 11 7s are adu Parangila. 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 21 will be 51. I am getting over here. Correct? How can we factorize? Divide by 3. Throughout you can divide by 3 and take. Yes, that is also possible. Then we will get n square minus this will be, yes, correct Ada. Very nice, Gaudra. So here it will be 27 sorry, 1s are 15, 1s are 2, 17s are 17n plus here 154. If I divide by 3, so I'll get, no, this is not divisible by 3, no, 154. 154 is not divisible by 3. We cannot divide by 3. Wrong Ada, okay. Here 154 we cannot divide it by 3. Problem is that. Fine. Now from here only I need to rearrange it. I hope here I have done correct. 3 1s are 3, 1 is remaining, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. 2 table in the divide madidra, 2 7s are 15 and 15 means 1 is remaining, 7s are 11 7s are 7 1s are, correct. So 77 2s are 14, 11 3s are 33, 33 plus 14 also if we do 4 plus 3 is 7, 47 bartada. Anywhere I have done a mistake. In the third step I have done a mistake. First, second, third step. Okay, if we cross multiply 48 bartada, minus 3n, minus of minus plus 3. 8 2s are 16. Okay, here I have done a mistake. Correct, guys. Here it should have been 156. Clear? 8 2s are 16. Fine. So now it is possible. 156. From here if I take 3 common, 3n, and here it will be nothing but what? 17 minus n. Correct? 3 1s are 3. How much it is? 3 5s are and 3 2s are. So we have 52 times 52 n into 17 minus n. Yes. Correct. Yes, correct. There I had done a mistake. Thank you everyone. Okay. Adaka il factorize madak bartirlilla idu. So it was not able to factorize over here. Now it is possible. 52 is equals to n 17n. 17n minus we have n square. Take this side completely. N square minus 17n plus 52 is equals to 0. Now 52 we can split it as 13 4s are, correct. So n square minus 13n, correct, minus 4n plus 52 is equals to 0. So n if I take common it will be n minus 13, minus 4 if I take common it will be n minus 13 is equals to 0. So we have n minus 13 into n minus 4 is equals to 0, correct? Is everyone getting this? Third step was wrong. Yes. Clear? Is everyone getting this now? This is the answer over here. Correct? Okay. Fine. So here we have n is equals to 13 or n is equals to 4. Done? Fine. So which value of n you will select? They are telling that here the 3 terms also if we take 24 plus 21. Fine. 40, 40, 44, 44 plus, yes, we will take what? N value 13 tagondra, it will be a large number. Correct? This is a very large number over here. We cannot take this. Fine. Because 13 terms, sum will not be 78. Because here only if you see 24 plus 21 plus 18 and plus next term will be what? Common difference minus 3 andra. We have to take it as 15. So if you sum this, this will be 20, 20, 40, 45 and this will be 30, 33. So if you sum them together, you will get 78. So n value should be what, students, over here? It should be 4. 4 is the answer. Did you people get this problem? Confusion ada yellow problem nega. 4 is the answer. Yes. Clear? Anyone has doubt? We will do a little bit tough problem. One is tough problem anna madone illinda. Okay. Yes, the sum of the third and seventh term of the AP is 6. The sum of the third and the seventh term of the AP is 6 and their product is 8. You need to find the sum of the first 3 terms of the AP. Okay? Fine, little bit tough problem over here. I hope you people can do this. Same integer type of poll I am giving. Do it, students. Madri nodu. Hello, Adarsh. Is it done? Done now? Okay. Chalo. So they are telling that the sum of the third term and seventh term, okay, means A3 plus A7 sum is equals to 6 and they are telling that and their product, if you see for their product, okay, that is A3 into A7 is equal to we have 8. We need to find the sum of the first 3 terms. So from here we need common difference also. A value gottilla, common difference value gottilla. Correct or no? You people did not get the answer. Okay, I'll do it. Look at this. Clear? No sir, Ganga avra yav problem ige helatiri. Did not get this problem or the previous one? Fine. So here we have A3, which is nothing but what? A plus 2D, and here we have A plus 6D is equals to 6. So we have 2A plus 8D is equal to 6. If I take 2 common, we have A plus 4D is equal to 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So we have A plus 4D value is equal to 3. Okay. Coming to this now. A3 is again we have A plus 2D multiplied by A plus 6D is equal to 8. Okay. Now, from here students, what we can do is, from here, whatever your A value is there, it is nothing but what? 3 minus 4D anta tagondbodu. Can I do this? Can I take A value as 3 minus 4D over here? Question number 23. Okay, fine. Now I am doing this. Observe here. So A value I can take 3 minus 4D. Okay, challenging question aitida. So from here this will be 3 minus 4D plus 2D and this will be 3 minus 4D plus 6D is equal to 8. So this is, we have 3 minus 2d, and this we have 3 plus 2d is equals to 8. Can anyone tell me which identity will apply over here? Can you people tell me which identity we will apply over here? A plus b, a minus b. Howdalla? A minus b, a plus b. Still doing? Okay, do it. Do it. No worries, do it. I'll stop it over here. Now after this, I hope you people can do. Is it done? Yes, a square plus b square formula we have to use. But have you people done the problem? Given you sufficient time. Madirboda. Okay. Yes. So from here we have nothing but what? This will be a square minus b square, amma. Okay. A square minus, this is nothing but what? 2d whole square, which is equals to 8. So this is 9 minus 4d square is equals to 8 we have. Yes or no? Did you people get this? So Linda, if we rearrange this, if I take this side, so 1 will be equals to 4d square. So d square value will be equals to 1 by 4, or d value is nothing but what? Plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now if we see the, fine, we need to find the sum of the first 3 terms of the AP. So d value can be 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Fine. Yes. So from here, if we calculate the a value, clear? So in the two different, this we will get. So if we take the a value is equals to, we have 3 minus 4d. So which is nothing but what? A value is 3. If I take d value as 1 by 2. So a value will be equals to what? 3 minus 4 times of 1 by 2. So which is 2 ones are 2s are. So will be nothing but what? 3 minus 2. So a value will be equals to what? 1. How the? Correct everyone? A value is 1 over here, or fine. It can be what? Again we have a minus, a is equals to 3 minus 4d. I'll take d value as minus 1 by 2. So a value will be 3 minus 4 times of minus 1 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are. So we have 3 plus 2. So a value is equals to what? 5. So two different sums we can get over here. Fine. Yes. Clear? Understood? Fine. So I hope you people have got the answer now. So we need to find what now? Sum over here. A value, suppose we have, yes, a value suppose we have 1 and d value is 1 by 2. Then the terms will be 1, fine, and 1 plus 1 by 2, because terms will be given by what? A plus d and a plus 2d over here. Correct? Terms, 3 terms of the AP. 3 terms of AP. Fine. No need to use formula, students. Simple ishta madri. Here we have 1 plus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. And here it will be 1, 2 will get cancelled. Again we will get nothing but what? 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 2. Clear? And if we find the sum now, it will be nothing but what? 3 plus 3 by 2. 3 plus 3 by 2 andre ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 6, 9 by 2. So the sum of this will be 9 by 2. Did you people get this? Any confusion? Did you people get this? Okay. Fine. See, nice problem alla. 5 marks problem. This is a 5 marks problem if it comes in the exam. Or 4 marks also they might ask. Okay. And if you take A value as A value as 5 and D value as minus 1 by 2, then the terms are nothing but A plus A is 5, A plus D andre eshtaagtada? 5 minus 1 by 2 will be nothing but what? 5 2s yes, 9 by 2 you will get, and then again 2 will get cancelled, you will get 4. So if you sum this, it will be 9 plus 9 by 2, 18, 27 by 2. The sum. Clear? Clear? Understood everyone? Clear cut the problem. Interesting problem, right? Yes or no? Isn't this an interesting problem? Fine. I'll give you a MCQ now. Try to solve it. MCQ kuda chanagayit nodri. Yes. If the third term and ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, third term and Third term and ninth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? Yav term AP the 0 aiti anta kelatara. I am giving you the poll. Okay. This was the what? Answer for the sum of or it was for what? Which problem it was? Okay, 0 I'll put. Fine. Chalo. E question madri. Try to do this question. 27 by 2, that is 13.5, correct. Fine. This problem. One minute. Yes, is it done? Banta answer. How many of you got the answer over here? C. Okay. They are telling that the third term A3 is equals to 4 and the ninth term is equals to minus 8. So from here, students, what do we have? We have A plus 2D is equals to 4, and from here we have A plus 8D is equals to minus 8. Let us sum this both. Subtract madona erdadrana. If you subtract, this will get cancelled. Here it will be 2D minus 8D will be minus 6D, and here minus of minus it will become plus. So which is nothing but what? 12. So D value is nothing but what? Minus 2. Fine. D value is nothing but what? Minus 2 over here. Done? Clear? So from here students, we have nothing but what? Which term of the AP is 0 kelataroru? Yes or no? So some nth term is there, it should be equals to 0. But before that we need to find A value and take. So we have A plus 2D is equals to 4. So A value we don't know, and here we have 2 times of minus 2 which is equals to 4. So A is minus 4 is equals to 4. So A value is equals to 8. Correct? Fine. Now after getting this, we have to do what? They are telling that some nth term is there whose value is equals to 0. So we have A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 0. A value is 8 plus n minus 1 into D value is minus 2 is equals to 0. So n minus 1 into minus 2 is equals to minus 8. Correct? So ilinda minus minus cancel aita, 2 ones are 2 fours are. So we have n minus 1 is equals to 4 or n value is equals to 5. So the fifth term will be equals to 0. So D is correct. Yes, D is correct. Did you people understand? Good problem, right? Yes or no? Chanagi aitalla problem ida. Correct? So you're fine. Pole ellota. Pole kottilla. Oh my god. Fifth term is 0. Fine. Next we'll go. Next problem over here. Do this students. The number of terms in this AP is. Okay. Quickly. 60 seconds time. Do it fast. Do it fast everyone. Hi Aryanth. The number of terms of this AP is in this AP. Poll is over here. Answers ana drop down madri fast agi. Book illa yake appa travel ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? Fine. So from here your A value is nothing but 5. Common difference value ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 9 minus 5 which is equals to what? 4. Correct? Fine. So they are telling that the number of terms ಕೇಳತಾರವ್ರ. So an will be equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, and they are telling that also A nth value is 185. Fine. So 185 we have A value is 5 plus n minus 1 into 4. This will come this side, 180 bartada is equals to 4 times of n minus 1. 4 ones are 4, 4s are 16, 5s are. So we have n minus 1 is equals to 45 or n value is equals to what? 46. Simple alla. Within 30 seconds solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು the problem. So option 3 is correct. Correct? Yes everyone. ಯಾರೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ? ಅಂಗಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ 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 ಫೈನ್. 46 is the answer. Fine. Next Clear? Can you do this, students? Can you do this? Fine. Nodri, all standard problems tagota idini. They are telling that in this AP S5 plus S7 is 167. Sum of 10 terms is 235. You need to find the AP. Okay. So this is your 4 marks problem. 4 marks problem. Can you people do this? Yes, n value is 46. Super, Gangaura, very nice. This problem minna madbodena? Yes, do it fast. S5 plus S7 is equals to 167. Simultaneously madona, next problem time kodtini. S5 plus S7 is equals to 167. You need to know the formula. Sum of n terms Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, clear? Now from here we have S5 value, which is nothing but what? N by 2, correct? So which is 5 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because we don't have any idea, plus 7 by 2, again 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, sorry, n value kota tha. Okay, we can use this. So it will be nothing but what? 2a plus we have 5 minus 1 into d plus 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equals to 167. Clear? Now we can take what? 5 by 2 we have, students, over here. 2a plus 4d bartadille plus 7 by 2 we have 2a plus 6d is equals to 167. We can take 2 cancel and cancel it out. 5 times of a plus 2d ulita. 2 I have taken common, cancel it out. 7 times of again 2 cancel it out. So a plus 3d we have is equals to 167. Correct? Multiply this 5a plus 10d plus 7a plus 21d is equals to 167. So from here 5a this will be 12a plus 31d is equals to 167. So we have one equation. Banta one equation ellarigu. Did everyone get the equation 1? I sent before poll ended. Illappa. Fine, definitely before poll ended ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. Fine, clear? Chalo. So next from here we have S10 value. We have S10, which is nothing but what? 10 by 2, 2a, n minus 1 will be nothing but what? 10 minus 1, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. But yes, since you have given the answer, very nice, I have checked it. C helitidira, 46 is the answer. Correct. Fine. So 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d, we have 2 ones are 2 5s are. So we have this as 235 is equals to 5 times of 2a plus 9d. Okay, so from here we have 235, 10a plus 45d. 2 equations we have got. We need to solve them. This is equation 2. Clear? Okay. Nothing can be taken common. Here 5 can be taken common. In fact, 5 common ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Fine. Yes. So 235. If I take 5 common from here, it will be 2a plus 9d. 2a plus 9d bartada. 5 ones are 5, 4s are 7s are. Correct? So we have 2a plus 9d is equals to 47. Name this as equation 2. 2 equations we have. Correct, students? 2 equations idena. What do we have? We have 12a. Okay. We have nothing but what over here? We have 12a. Sorry. Yes. We have 12a plus 31d is equals to 167. And we have 2a plus 9d is equals to 47. Multiply this equation by 6. Clear? 6 in the multiply new madidre idakka what will happen is first equation as it is, multiply this by 1. So we have 12a plus 31d is equals to 167. 6 2s are 12a we have, 9 6 are 54d, and here also 7 6 are 42, correct? 6 4s are 24, 282 we have. Now fine, nodri definitely solving other since it is 4 to 5 marks question. If you subtract this will get cancelled. Here also subtract 54 minus 31. 54 minus 31. Tell me first, what is the answer? 54 minus 31. You need to watch it from beginning up, then only you will get to know. Correct? Illi minus 23d bartada. And here also 167 minus 28. 167 minus 282, which is minus 115. So 115 divided by 23 andra minus 5 bartada. Minus minus will get cancelled. D value is nothing but what? 5. 23 5s are 115. Okay, clear? Any doubt till here? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಂಗೆ. D value we got it as 5. You can use any of the equation. Fine. I'll use equation 2. Equation 2, what do we have, students? We have 2 times of A plus 9D. Correct? 2 times of A plus 9D is equals to 47 we have. So we have 2A plus 9 into 5 we have 47. So 2A, this is 45, which is nothing but what? 47 minus 45 is 2. A value is 1. Fine. A value is 1. So D value is what? 5. A value is 1. They are telling that okay. Fine. They are telling that we need to find the what? Find its first sum of its n terms. Okay. Sum of the n terms anna now find madbeka. Then find the AP. Sorry, we need to find the AP, students, over here. So required AP is required AP is nothing but what? A plus D, correct? A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Correct? A value in bandada 1. Correct? And D value we have nothing but what, students? 5. Don't forget this. Okay? A value is 1, D value is 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 5 2s are 10, we get 11. Again we get 16, we get again 21, and so. Understood? 1 6 11. Very nice, appa. Gaudra, Ganga, very nice. Did you people understand? Did you people enjoy this problem in solving? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 2 equations ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫರ್ದರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಡನ್ ಅದ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎಸ್, can you do this problem, students? This is also a very nice standard 4 marks problem. Standard 4 marks problem ida actually keltara. It was in your model paper. Okay, board model paper 2024. Okay, 2024 exam board model paper nage ittida. Clear? So this is a standard 4 marks problem. Fine. Can you do this? Quick agi ಮಾಡಬಹುದೇನಾ? Common difference of the AP find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Okay, and then you need to do it further. The first term of the AP is 5. First term of the AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum of all of its term is 400. Okay, do it fast. I'm giving you exactly 2 minutes time to finish the problem. ಅವಾಗಿನ ತನಕ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್. Done? Is it done, students? Yes. The first term of the AP they are telling as 5. The last term they are telling as 45, and they are telling that the sum of all the terms is, sum of n terms is nothing but what? They are telling that it is 400. Okay, you need to find the number of terms, n value, and you need to find the common difference. Okay, 3 marks problem, standard 3 marks, 3 to 4 marks problem. Okay, clear? Yes. So from here, students, we have Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. Correct? This formula nimge barsidene nanu. Have I made you write this formula? Yes or no? Now they are telling that the sum of how many terms are there? They are 400. N value we don't know. N by 2. A value is 5. L value is 45. Last term. So here we have 400 is equals to n by 2 times of 50 we have. Clear? So 50 ones are 50 80s are clear, or 8s are, sorry, 58s are. So we have n by 2 as equals to 8, or n value is equals to what? 16. Fine. I think this was a 3 marks problem. Number of terms antu banta. Sorry, did we get number of terms over here? Fine. Did we get number of terms? Okay. Yes. Now once we get number of terms over here, students, we need to find the common difference. Common difference hang find martiri? That is the big question now. Yes, n value is 16. This is not an issue. But when you find common difference now, we don't know what is its last term. First term kottidara. Last term they are telling that it is 45. Correct? So nth term they are telling that a nth term is equals to 45. Okay? But n value is what? 16. So a 16th term they are telling it as 45. So we have a plus 15d is equals to 45. So what do we have, students, over here? A value we have it as 5 plus 15d is equals to 45. Correct? So 15d will be equals to what? 45 minus 5 will be 40. So d value will be equals to what? 40 by 15, which is 3s are 8s are. So d value is 8 by 3. I hope I haven't done any mistake. Total number of terms we are getting it as 16. So a 16 will be equals to 45, 15d 45, 40. Correct? D value is 8 by 3. Yes. Did you people get the same thing? Did you people get the same thing over here? Same thing banta. D value is 8 by 3. Are you getting this? D value as 8 by 3. Correct? Fine. Done? Can you do this problem? In an AP, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 24. In an AP, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 24, and the sum of their squares is 194. You need to find the numbers. Super, Mallikarjun, very nice. Sir, I do in substitution method, I got same. Yeah, no problem. You can do same, you will get the same thing. Okay, adnu kuda maadbodu. Ee problem one madri, last problem, and whatever remaining problems are there, students, I'll give you to people as a homework. Notes siktao nimga free of cost in the PW app. Just you need to download them and solve it. Okay, another 10 questions are there, 10 to 12 questions. Solve madri, you'll become perfect with AP. Okay, fine. Clear up, practice it. ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನದ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಸರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 28, 24. Put it, next class I'll take it up and solve. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, this is how we learn, right? Fine. So they are telling that the sum of 3 consecutive terms of the AP is 24 and the sum of their squares is 194. You need to find the numbers. So let the 3 consecutive terms of AP be A minus D, A and A plus D. Correct? Whenever they ask, tell 3 consecutive terms, we can take like this. And 5 means A minus 2D, A plus D, like that. Okay? Fine. Midterm question type kodla. Okay? Fine. It is included over here. Fine. Yes. Now we have, students, nothing but what? Sum of this, they are telling that A minus D plus A plus D is equals to 24. So from here, students, this will get cancelled. So 3A is equals to 24 or A value is equals to what? 8. Okay, correct? A value is 8. Now once we get the A value over here as 8, we move on to what? The next information, the sum of their squares, that is A minus D whole square plus A square plus A plus D whole square. Sum of their squares is 194. Okay, clear? Fine. So if we expand this, this will be A square plus D square minus 2D plus A square plus A square plus D square plus 2D is equals to 194. So here this will get cancelled. We have A square as 3A square plus 2D square is equals to 194. So A value we have already. So if we use this, 3 times of 8 square plus 2D square is equals to 194. Clear? So this is nothing but what? 3 times of 8 square is 64 plus 2D square is equals to 194. So if we multiply this, students, over here, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? 4 3s are 12, correct? 6 3s are 18, 19 plus 2D square is equals to 194, or we have 2D square is equals to 2. 2 1s will get cancelled. So D square value is equals to 1. So D value is equals to plus or minus 1. Clear? Did you people get this? D value is plus or minus 1, A value is 8. So the required terms over here will be nothing but what? Required terms over here will be, when A value is 8 and D value is 1, we have nothing but what? 8 minus 1 is 7 and 8 and then 9. Clear? And if your A value is 8 and D value is minus 1, we have nothing but what? Minus of minus plus, we have 9, 8 and 7. Okay, these are the two things. 7, 8, 9 and 9, 8, 7. 8, 7, 6 you can go like that also. You have went further, that is also fine. Clear the problem? Is this problem clear to you people without any confusion? Done? Yes. So remaining problems, whatever are there, students, over here, not much problems are there. Another 10 problems I have left you as a practice problem. Okay, so that you are going to do it as a homework. Okay na? 10 problems adava, do it as a homework. If you get any doubt, solve it just after the class. 1 or 2 hour, 1 hour take break, rest madri. After the break, download the notes, solve the problems. If you have any doubt, just drop it down in the chat box. Next one shot, I'll do those problems and then we'll go to the new lecture. Done na? Ellarigu clear? Yes. So that's it, my dear students, for today's session. Fine. Next session alli mat sigona. We will do the very important topic, that is triangles. Clear? And then we can further move on to coordinate geometry and trigonometry. midterm type question, midterm question paper illa manankade. If you give me midterm question paper, I can solve that question as well. Okay, fine. Yes, some problems only adava Ganga avara, download madri, solve madri. Okay, some problems are only there, all are good level of questions. Sn is equals to 4n square plus 4, that problem is important. Do that, and next session we will continue. Till then, take care my dear students. Thank you Elarigu. Thank you all my dear students. Let us meet in the next class and we'll end the session over here.